Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Pokémon Battle Academy board game. Let's start by getting everything ready for an exciting match. First, each player selects a deck and its matching playmat. Then, place your chosen active Pokémon in the designated active spot and draw 7 cards to form your hand. Next, set aside 6 prize cards face down. Finally, keep damage counters, condition markers, and a coin within easy reach for gameplay. This quick setup gets you ready to battle in just a few moments. Now that you're set up, let's go over the steps of your turn. Every turn begins by drawing 1 card from your deck. After drawing, you can perform several actions in any order. You may play any number of basic Pokémon onto your bench and attach 1 energy card to one of your Pokémon. You can also evolve your Pokémon by playing an evolution card. Finally, you can play trainer cards for various helpful effects before your attack. The most exciting part of the game is attacking. To attack, your active Pokémon must have the required energy attached. Declare your attack and compare its damage value to your opponent's active Pokémon's hit points. Place damage counters on the defending Pokémon equal to the attack's damage. If a Pokémon's total damage counters meet or exceed its hit points, it is knocked out. This is how you defeat your opponent's Pokémon and progress towards victory. Now that you know how to play, let's talk about winning. There are 3 main ways to achieve victory. The most common way is to take all 6 of your prize cards. You earn 1 prize card each time you knock out an opponent's Pokémon. You also win if your opponent has no Pokémon left in play, either active or on their bench. Finally, if your opponent cannot draw a card at the start of their turn, you win. Good luck, trainer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.